Saket. So as you see in the unboxing video, so this is the product right now which is over here in front of you. So this is presently, I have not switched on anything. It is very lightweight. You can just lift it up with the two hands and it has got a barely another grip. So we will be getting two grips. So you can also place the speaker in the landscape mode, whereas you will be getting a karaoke over here, the one, and the other is a trolley. And you can just lift with the trolley also, and there is another extension where you can keep and pull the pole which is used to keep all the speakers. So that pole can be also used for the same. And there is an LED lighting. So presently I have been using the speaker for past 2 days. You can see there is a little LED lighting which is going on over there. So that is mode LED. I don't know what exactly it does, but it gives us a little enthusiastic mode. Talking regarding the specifications of the speaker, you will be getting an volume knob, treble knob, bass knob, echo knob, and microphone volume cut down knob. So you will be also be getting a wireless microphone. Hello. You'll be also getting a microphone with a speaker. This is a microphone. I have just kept it at a midway. I mean around 50% volume is using from the mic. So this is the volume from the microphone. Directly I have kept the mic near to my mouth. You can see in the video right now. And presently you are hearing my voice over the speaker and onto the Boyer BM3031 microphone, which is being loading my audio into my Canon M50. Talking regarding the build quality, the build quality is pretty basic. This comes with an ABS plastic of grade 1, you can call it as, because this is a when we gonna see it, you might think that it is of first grade plastic. Now turn off the LED, we don't require it right now. I'll show you a detailed review, and it has gotten 70 watt output. I don't know what exactly the output is, but I'm going to surely gonna give you guys a sound test. And here goes the small remote. This remote comprises of power on off button, mode, mute, play button, previous track, next track, volume minus, volume plus, and equalizer. I guess I don't know whether it is working or not, and some basic numbers. So till now I have only used the Bluetooth version of the speaker. It works absolutely fine till now, and as I said earlier, this has got 70 watt output, and the bass could have been little better because this speaker has got one main speaker and two tweeters over here, but I don't know whether these two tweeters are gonna run along the side while you're playing the music from the main speaker, because these two, when I have heard, very little volume is being emitted from those two little speakers, tweeters, and the main volume is getting out from the big speaker. This is on the center of the speaker. So this is a ZOOOK Thunder XXL, and I got at around 8 to 9 ZOOOK speakers and PS systems, you can call it as, because it is not only a Bluetooth speaker. You can, as I said earlier, you can just go out to announce some public announcement and you can take it out. Carrying this much big speaker is a huge task, and you can get a Bose speaker which produces almost all equivalent sound. But when we are talking about pricing, the Bose speaker prices are around 20,000 plus amount, whereas the ZOOOK Thunder XXL is priced around 6,000 and got us some unique features, as I said earlier. So starting the sound test, I will be starting the sound from 0. Okay, just pulling down the sound to 0. You can see 00 over here right now. So I'm gonna just quickly start the music, but simple one negative marking is that the remote cannot be used from the back side or beside. You have to compulsorily surely locate your remote towards the LED strip which is being located at the bottom of the speaker to start it off. Grab some earphones to get some amazing experience and to get exact volume output of the speaker. As I said, the speaker is at 0 volume right now, so I'm increasing. So this is at 10 right now. This is 3. And this is at 20. I'm just talking as loud know the accurate volume output of the speaker, I better recommend you using a headset or a headphones or earphones, whatever you have. I'm going to show you the LED strip. Right now my room is completely dark, being allocated by the ZOOK, and which is being provided by ZOOK. At the end, you can see there is very little amount of light is being emitted by it. Okay, let's continue the music. But sometimes I have faced some difficulties while operating with the remote, that unfortunately either you might be okay, let me turn on the LED strip. So you might be even trying to guess where exactly the sensor is, but unfortunately you cannot expect, because the sensor is located somewhere over here in between, maybe, I'm not sure. This is what I am thinking about a ZOOK Thunder XXL and party speaker and public announcement system. If you have a budget around 6,000 rupees or 7,000 rupees, then this might be for one thing which you would like to buy, because it has gotten unique features. You can record, you can sing karaoke, you can play music, you have adjustable knobs for treble, bass, mic, echo, so on and so forth. So I'm going to just show you the echo, how it's going to work. So this is at a normal volume. So this is what the echo does. You can hear right now my voice is getting too much of echo. This is all because of the echo knob. I can just quickly turn off to get some normal value. So if you are going to sing in karaoke, use the echo to get some more fun. Might be little awkward for you, but thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and share with your friends, and let them know what is ZOOK Thunder XXL is capable of doing. And do let me know your comments, how you have felt about this video, and if you want some more exclusive unboxing videos and some technical in-depth reviews, then ping them down in the comments. Surely I am going to answer all of your queries and your comments. See you next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe, goodbye, see ya.